What's up, guys? Here I am at a unnamed trail that's in about 2 or 3 blocks away from my sister's house. Me and my brother-in-law, we like to come here at some days and just shred a few features here. The hell did I land? Oh yeah?
Like a rough landing though.
It felt like it, yeah.
You need to go to speed to do that.
Yeah, just a bit and more pop too.
I don't know if you can generate that much speed up there.
I think you can without braking.
Are you braking?
No, I'll have to go a bit more faster. I'll try again.
Side.
Oh, I did?
Right, yeah, you landed the right side.
Oh, damn.
That was a big one though, dude.
Yeah.
Like this last one? You should have stopped. Your back wheel.
Yes. Thanks for the motivation there, Lambo guy.
Cleared it.
Yeah, figured I needed a little more run up.
Jesus, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty fun at this part of the town with these trails. Definitely gonna come back here every single weekend if I can. Now I'm gonna see my brother-in-law here to jump just a little bit. Yeah, Nick. Oh, what's up?
Sorry, man, I thought you were somewhere else.
Oh, no worries. Yeah. So yeah, that was a fun day today. I love hitting this jump right here and planning to do this again next time. Let's continue doing the trail. Great float over here. Ooh, nice. Beautiful. Yeah, love this place. I love it here. Always do. Yep, very good. And another one. This is my go-to for hitting a little bit of jumps and other features. This is close to my brother-in-law's house. Oh, this is good. Love this trail a lot. Okay. So much fun. And a little bit of this one. This is always the go-to place.
This is right here, dude.
Yeah, right in the neck of the woods or in your backyard.
Yeah, literally. You can do this like every single day from now.
Right?
Pedal from all the way to my house to all the way up there. If I had a rack, I would just drive up, around up there, come down one time, and then take the road up to the car and then come back home.
Yeah,
You can do that like so easily.
pretty much. I mean, this is short and simple place. I love it.
With like fun stuff, you know? A
Yeah,
couple of fun things. jumps. It has everything. I don't know. It's like a nice spot.
Close to you it is.
Literally, like right here.
I don't have anything like this. That's like a mile or two away from where I live. Yes. Oh, nice. Yeah, Nick. Yeah, got it? You went down it?
Yeah, how am I here so far?
Oh, okay. Before you didn't do that, but now it's good. What, here? Do see a little bit of a drop there. I don't know if that's to a river or something. Maybe that's part of the trail, who knows?
There's that whole trail on the other side.
Maybe next time I'll take a look at there. Next thing I know, I'm gonna end up in the ravine. Oh yeah, you're right.
Oh, come on!
My bad. Sorry, I was too busy looking at that.
Oh, you shifted to the right gear this time.
I know, I got distracted. But yeah, it does go into like a ravine. I knew it.
Maybe it might have used to be a trail and then it got washed out.
I think so, right? I know, right? Fun part. Oh, nice. This is good. Let's continue down. And I know that there's a small gap here that I'd love to hit. Oh, yes. Yeah, that was a good gap. I love it. I just love hearing that when I'm here. Amazing place. Little pebbles and rocks everywhere. It's the best. Yeah. I know we gotta cross the road always when we're at this trail.
Suspension's way better.
Yeah?
Yeah. You know the fast part right, with the bridge that we go under?
Yeah.
Before it used to go like this. Now it's like smooth. It's crazy.
Yeah, this is usually smooth with Fox 36 or 38s, even 34. My favorite place of all time. Oh, what the hell? Wow, that's crazy. Ho ho ho, we got a big guy here. Nice, this is,
Just built it.
oh, that's good. Now I'm definitely want to come back here.
Yeah?
Yeah, if they finish this part, of course. Oh, it's like some local people that do this?
Yeah, well, brought that stuck down.
Oh yeah, that's doable for me. Do you remember if this always has been here?
It has, but it wasn't this nice yet.
Oh yeah?
Started building it up again.
Oh, okay.
Those were always there.
Oh.
But they were tough. Now it looks like they fixed it.
Oh yeah. Oh, nice.
What is this?
This is a crazy looking step up.
Who hits it?
Yeah, you need a bit more speed for this. Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. I see how it works.
I saw a guy hitting it. I was after there and started hitting it.
Oh, nice. Looks like you're coming from there and then you jump this big gap or something. Oh, okay. Nice. Oh, okay. These are doable. I think for me.
You just love this area.
I do now, yeah.
Dude, it's insane. Now there's this, there's that other one we've been hitting up top, and there's the one next to the one that we've been hitting up top.
Uh-huh.
It's just packed full.
Yeah, what more can you ask for? This is all you need.
Why the fuck is there so many? Just shitload up there and there's shitload down here. Like, this one is even closer to my house. You just park by my house and ride down.
For sure.
5-minute ride.
It's a 5-minute ride for you. Oh, okay.
Oh, they built this too.
Think,
This is to not change. Yeah, I had to lift my bike up and take it over.
so this tree has been like this, right?
Yeah. This is the OG. This is a classic car.
Oh yeah, I like it.
When I was a kid, this is what I always wanted to do.
There's potential for this place.
How do you hit this one? Let's go from that side.
So
Drop it up there.
yeah, you drop in from where that small log is, and then that log right there. And then you get enough speed, you pump this roller.
Can you clear this whole thing from that little bit of speed?
Yeah, you can. Well, you gotta pump this one really hard though, this roller, and then you jump. You got enough speed for that.
Because when I was here, it was not cleared out.
Oh yeah?
It's all brush everywhere. You could barely walk around. I mean, it's good enough where you can do it. You gonna hit him or what?
Do we have time?
Let's go. Video's going crazy.
I know. Maybe we start from here next time. It's up to you.
Yeah.
This is my go-to place for hitting some clear jumps around the area.